Your little brother?
Nathan, can you smile at Mama?
He's watching you. Oh, you want to get in the picture?
Yeah.
Okay. You talk to him? He wants to talk to you.
A-goo-goo. A-goo-goo. Hi, Nathan. Hi. Hi. When are you going to take a picture?
You want me to take a picture? Okay.
Yep.